Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how to automate some of the tedious daily jobs in Mini Warriors. In order to do the automation, we will use a program called Autoit. This program is free and you can find tutorials in YouTube how to install it. It is pretty easy, so in this video I will not show you how to do it. We will use the editor in which we will write some scripts and this part of Autoit, with which help we can point on a certain place on the screen and we can get its absolute coordinates. So let's start it. I'm using BlueStacks to play Mini Warriors. This is one very good Android game. And first, in this video I'll show you step by step how to create some sample script, but you can't just copy paste it because my resolution is different than yours, and I will use absolute coordinates. So if there is 1 pixel difference from my values and yours, for example, the mouse will click not here but over here and nothing will happen. Use just the script and then replace all the coordinates with the exact position from your screen. What will automate? The scenario is very simple. Just click on Tavern, then click Claim and 10 times refresh, then close. That's all. First, open the editor. Start with every time with sleep. In order to run the script, you must press F5 or choose go, and then you have, in this way, you have 2 seconds, or that is 5 seconds, in order to click on BlueStacks, and then Autoit will start executing your script. First, we need a function to click. Go here and write Autoit MouseClick. Here's very good documentation. What you have to write: MouseClick, name of the button which you want to click, in our case is left, X, Y, number of times, and the speed. The speed is how fast your mouse will move from the crank point to the point specified here. So let's just copy it and put it in the editor. Left, points I'll get using this. So just press and hold, drop, double click here, then the clipboard and paste. Then number of click once, and the speed between 1 and 100 we want 34, for example. Save it and press F5, or just go. Wait 5 seconds Voila, click. Here, this is the first step. Then we need to do another mouse click. Here to click once. Get the coordinates again. Double click. Paste new coordinates. Copy this. And because there is an animation and sometimes network problems, always put a small sleep. Click here. Okay, this will click here. After that, we need to click 10 times. Here. We need to click 10 times. Okay, we can just put here 10, but this will happen very fast and only some of our clicks will be sent to the BlueStacks. We don't want to do this and we'll use 4. 4, 2. There is example. Ten times from 9 to 0. 10 times. We want execute a click. Of course, now we need the new point. Hold, push, copy this value, paste it here. This will click. Let's put it bigger. And then we'll need to close the window. Once. If there is no error, this will work. Let's execute it. Click, click 10 times, close. Tools, go, click here and wait. Wait 5 seconds and start clicking. Tavern, claim, refresh. Refresh. So you can see this slow refresh. If it was instantly, some of the clicks will not be sent to the BlueStack. Okay, well, that's all. This is pretty simple. Just clicking and refreshing, and just clicking and use for cycle for some situations in which you need to click more than once. Of course, everything in this game can be automated. In the next videos, I'll show you more complex examples. For that, how to handle scenarios in which these are moving every day, how to attack, how to help to your Legion members in the contribution in a list like this, and so on and so on. Everything in Mini Warriors can be automated. even attacks, but when use Autoit for attacks, you'll attack blindly, so even the person which you want to attack is much stronger than you. The program cannot compare these values, the power of the opponent, because it's a picture and it is hard to compare. You will attack it and you lose in, I don't know, in 20% of all attacks, but everything else will be automated, and some tedious jobs like special stages, which took about 20 minutes every day, can be automated. Just start the script and do another job. For example, you can make your breakfast. The script will run through all of the stages and you have what you want. Of course, you can play, but as I said, almost everything in this game can be automated. Of course, during battles, you can rearrange your troops. I want this to be here because it is slow, or it is fast, and so on and so on. And this is I don't know, it's not impossible, but it is very hard to create such a scenario. To be extremely complex. But as you see, this is just 3-minute script. I will put this in the description, but as I said, these coordinates will be different from you. Just use this helper tool. Go from here, mouse, and drag and point where you want to click, and then just copy the coordinates and change it. Save it as another file, and you can create a lot of different files, and when you see that they are working, you can combine all and execute them at once. So you can have 20 scripts which do 20 different jobs and execute it one after another, and all the daily jobs will be executed. And of course, if you want to attack yourself, you need to spend, for example, 10 minutes per day, not 40. After some time, you can you become very strong. Of course, is it right to do that? If you see other strong players, this in the top, I don't know, top 100 or even 1000, I'm sure they use it, because they are extremely strong. 275. This means that they play every day and attack everyone for, I don't know, for at least 3 years. This is extremely hard to do it. They spend a lot of money to buy crystals and, for example, to buy Merlin and so on. But this is the first step to become a strong player. Of course, if you are not as me, 275 level, and you are on the lower level, for example 100 or even 23rd level, you can change the script in order to do your job. Once I tried, there is one very hard Merlin trail. I attack it 5-7 times, and everything, and every time the fight was lost. But then I created a script and executed 30 times, and on the 23rd time there was a luck. I was lucky, and two of the Merlins from the battle were just killed, and I won just with a lot of tries. Because during attacks, yes, you lose energy, but if you attack Merlin, you will not lose energy. You will lose this energy only when you win. So you can try infinite number of times. Of course, Mini Warriors know that some of the players use these bots, and they put a session, I think it is 1 hour up, and after 1 hour of clicking, the game just will be stopped and you need to log in again. Every day these tax marks are moving, but there are, I don't know, 7 or 8 places where they put them, so you can easily put these places, because there are only 8 or something like that. And of course, you will become faster, you will become stronger in very short time. Thank you for watching, and watch my next videos in which you'll see more complex cases. I'll start with training. This is another boring job in which you need just to click one of the heroes and to train it for 12 hours. It's just clicking, no brain work or something like that. But here the scenario is more complex because you need to scroll horizontally, but it is very easy. You can do it very easy with Autoit. Watching, and have a nice automation of this game. Bye bye.